There is a thriving market for logo sales online, with individuals earning substantial incomes from this venture. The exciting development is the ability to generate logos using AI, requiring only minimal touch-up work to produce truly beautiful designs. The following showcases some logos I've created. A few days ago, I posted a video exploring various digital products that can be generated using AI. In this video, the focus shifts to the realm of logos created with AI. We will examine examples of individuals already selling logos online, assess potential earnings, delve into the process of creating logos using AI, and address challenges along the way to ensure a product that is high quality and professional. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Accessing AI. If you have plans to monetize your logos, selecting a strategy is crucial for creating a superior product. Two primary strategies exist for logo designs: made-to-order logos, where clients hire you to create a custom logo, and logo templates. The choice between these strategies influences how logos are generated, the level of passivity involved, and where they are sold online. Let's start by exploring logo templates. Logo templates. In a logo template shop, customers pay around $12 for a link to edit a pre-made logo file. They can customize elements such as text, move design elements, and alter font colors to suit their needs. AI is utilized to generate graphics and colors, providing a foundation for the template. This shop, with over 52,000 sales at an average price of $10, has generated over $520,000. It's essential to note that many packages are priced higher, indicating potential earnings in the millions. With a digital product, a 91% profit margin is typical after deducting fees. Another similar shop has amassed close to $354,000 with a similar business model. While pre-made logos offer a more passive long-term business model, building a substantial catalog is necessary to drive upfront sales. Made-to-order logos. For made-to-order logos or custom logos, you can typically charge more since you are offering a personalized service rather than a pre-made design. A shop called Logo Lane, with approximately 13,000 sales, exemplifies this model. Monetization strategy. For their custom logos, the pricing range from $39 to $130, indicating earnings between $515,000 and $1.7 million solely from their Etsy shop. This yields a profit margin of approximately 91% for the digital product. However, since this involves a service, it can also be listed on platforms like Fiverr. A Fiverr gig with over 3,300 reviews charges between $80 and $170, resulting in earnings ranging from at least $268,000 to $570,000. Another gig, boasting over 9,000 reviews, charges between $50 and $130, translating to earnings between $462,000 and $1.2 million. While these shops are selling quality logos, the service is not overly extravagant. Offering a logo design service with made-to-order logos can be a side hustle, requiring work only after payment. Starting on Etsy allows the potential for listing both custom logo services and logo templates in the same shop. Accessing Midjoureny. To access Midjoureny, you need the program Discord. Signing up for Discord is free, and it is recommended to download the program for optimal performance. Visit the Midjoureny website and click on Join the Beta to connect to the Discord server. Midjoureny costs $10 a month for access to general commercial terms and $30 a month for unlimited image generation. An additional $20 a month for stealth mode allows private image generation. Once set up, the process involves generating logos through prompts in the Discord chat. Logo generation process. To generate logos, use the /imagine command in the chat and provide prompts. For instance, a prompt for a law firm logo with a simple, clean design on a white background can be entered. Multiple prompts can be submitted, and the AI will generate images accordingly. If unsatisfied with the initial batch, Clicking the Reroll button provides new images. Undesirable images can be deleted from the chat. Once a promising image is identified, it can be enlarged using the Upscale button. The iterative process involves trying different prompts and re-rolling images until satisfactory designs are obtained. Secret prompt trick. After upscaling an image, clicking the Web button takes you to a page that breaks down how the AI interprets each prompt segment. This page is valuable for understanding the AI's thought process and includes sample images and prompts from other users. Hovering over an image allows for copying the prompt to test similar styles. This resource is crucial for creating effective prompts. Converting the logo. Now, we are entering a crucial phase that truly brings the logo to life. Returning to Discord, we'll click on the Upscaling Image option, then select Open in Browser. Right-clicking on the image allows us to save it to our downloads. If you aspire to elevate your logos to compete with the successful shops mentioned earlier in the video, which are generating substantial revenues, you might consider investing in Adobe Illustrator, a program costing $21 per month. Let me demonstrate its capabilities. Adobe Illustrator Transformation. Assuming you've signed up, downloaded, and opened Illustrator on your computer, start by clicking on the letter preset. The specific choice doesn't matter. I've opened the file where I saved all my AI images and, for example, dragged and dropped a bull image. Zooming in on the eye reveals its blurry quality and the inability to remove it from the background. At this stage, it's not a usable logo. However, by clicking on the image to highlight it, the Image Trace button appears on the right side of the screen. Clicking this button transforms the logo into a real vector file in real time. Adjusting the threshold allows for adding or subtracting details, and the Ignore White button removes the white background. Zooming back into the eye shows super crisp and clean lines. A vector logo can scale without loss of quality. Clicking Expand on the right side locks in the changes and fully converts the image into a clean vector file. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. More logo examples. Let's explore a few more examples to showcase the power of this process. Taking a chef's hat logo as an example, the image is traced and the threshold is adjusted to maximize detail. Clicking Ignore White and then Expand results in a clean chef's hat logo. Similarly, for a palm tree image, the process involves dragging it in, hitting Image Trace, adjusting the threshold, ignoring white, and expanding. For a colored logo, like a coffee mug, the image trace is performed and presets are adjusted to 3 colors. Clicking Expand yields a clean logo. Handling dark backgrounds and mascot logos. For logos with darker backgrounds, the colors need to be inverted before image tracing. Additionally, handling mascot logos, like an owl, involves tracing with a preset of 16 colors, adjusting paths or colors if necessary, and then expanding. The final step is deleting unwanted elements to achieve a clean, vectorized mascot logo. Exporting vector images. To export a vector image, the selected vector is saved by clicking on File, then Export Selection. Naming the file and ensuring the format is SVG is crucial. Clicking Export Assess completes the process, and the file is ready for use. Finalizing the logos. To complete the logos, I'll use Canva. On the Canva website, I'll start by creating a new document and importing the original logo file generated by the AI, including text and other elements. Then, I'll layer the SVG file, exported from Illustrator, on top of it, adjusting its size, color, and position. Over the designated text area, I'll add a text box and choose a font that complements the design. After copying the image and moving it to a second page for color sampling, I'll return to the first page and change the background color to match the original image. This completes the process, especially if selling the logos as a service. I'll quickly go through creating additional logos for the project, and once done, I can share them with customers. For selling as a template on platforms like Etsy, I'll need to share the template link. Clicking Share Template link in the top right corner generates a link that customers receive after purchasing the logo. This link allows them to fill in their own information and customize the template without a Canva subscription. The template file link is provided below the video for access. Bonus tips. Before trying this process, it's essential to be aware of a couple of significant issues. First, Illustrator may not handle highly detailed images well as a final product. However, with Midjourney's rapid development, it's been out for about 8 months and version 5 is expected soon, the quality of images is likely to improve over time. Second, consider the costs involved. Between Midjourney AI, Canva subscription, and Adobe Illustrator, monthly expenses could range from $44 to $80, depending on the chosen plans. However, with commitment and skill development, this could lead to a lucrative business generating hundreds of thousands of dollars annually. Additionally, using mockups such as business cards can enhance the presentation of logos and make them more appealing. Free mockups are available on websites like RawPixel, and I'll be covering the creation of AI mockups in an upcoming video. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for updates. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.